How to change miles to kilometer in Google Maps. So here's a quick step-by-step guide to change miles to kilometer. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Google Maps on your phone. It works both on iOS and Android, so simply follow this process. Then once you open the Google Map, make sure that you are logged in using your Gmail account. Then all you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture or initial of yours at the top right corner of your screen. So here, as you can see, I am using the direction for now, so I cannot view my profile picture, but let me just go to the home page, and there you will get to see the profile picture available. Tap on it. Then from the drop down menu, all you have to do is select the settings option available in there. Once inside the settings, again, scroll down and tap on the distance units option available there. Once you tap on the distance units, choose kilometer instead of miles. And exit settings. Distance will now show in kilometers. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.